What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. TGIF, ladies and gentlemen. Thank God it's Friday. Today is Friday, September 8th, 2023, and I'm heading to my next service call. I have a customer that has a first floor air conditioning unit that's not cooling. Let's go see what's going on. I overshot the block. It's off of East Broadway over here in Woodmere. It's got a busted UE, and see what's going on, guys. Smash that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. There's no cost or obligation. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get post notifications when I drop a video, which is generally on a daily basis, Sunday through Friday. Let's go, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Mikey Pipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. We put in this Bosch IDS 2.1 connected 3-ton outdoor unit about 3 months ago. That services the second floor of this nice home. This one here services the first floor, and as you can see, it's doing not a effing thing. But how quiet it is. It's incredible how quiet these machines are. All right, so first thing we'll do is put our ear up to it. And we got that hum. We got a hum, ladies and gentlemen. If we got a hum, that means we got 24 volts going to the contactor, which should be turning on the condenser fan motor and the compressor. But it's not. It's no bueno. Let's get our tools and let's get this up and running. 78 degrees. It is 90% humidity. 90% humidity. For all you haters out there, you see all this? See all this? This is condensation being removed from the system, humidity being removed from the system. That's what is working right now because it is nice and 45% humidity inside. Would you say it's not 45% humidity inside? No. Nice, right? Probably even less.
Maybe.
A lot of people don't like the Bosch. Not a lot. There are haters out there. Because, I don't know, there's haters out there that say that it doesn't remove humidity. And the problem why it doesn't remove humidity is like with all other systems that are for air conditioning that are oversized, you have the same problem, humidity. So if you oversize the system, it could be a Rolls Royce or it could be a Hyundai. You're still gonna have the same problem, right? Humidity control. All right, let's see. Let's see what's going on here. She's humming. I wonder if we have power here. All right, let's see if we have power here. One there, one there. Nothing. Let's go to ground. Right there. Come on, baby. Nothing. How about there and there? Nothing. Let's see if we have any shorts to ground. Put that there. Turn that off. And let's check ground to L2. No shorts to ground. Let's set that to read amperage. Let's hit that max button. Let's go to the circuit breaker. Oh, first floor. Second floor, maybe? This one's tripped. As you can see, it's in the middle. All right. That's just for the outdoor unit. So now the question becomes, what happens when I turn this on? So, I love peanut butter sandwiches. 59.5.9. Okay, LRAs running 9.5 amps, 9.6. Let's test our L2, 9.8. Let this run for a little bit, 9.7. So we're under amperage for some unknown reason. The breaker tripped. Let's do a test under load of our dual capacitor. All right, dual capacitor. We're testing our amperage on this brown wire, which is going to that 3 terminal post, which is Herm. That gave us 5.2 amps. We're taking voltage between common and Herm. That gives us 344. Our dual capacitor is rated for 40. And we are good. Let's test the fan side. We tested amperage on that white and brown wire. We got 0.6. Voltage between the common and the fan was 406, and the capacitor is rated for 5, yet we're rated at 3.92, which is a deviation of 21.59%. That may be the reason why. It's unlikely, but let's turn off power. That was a weird little noise, no? Okay. No, maybe it was just me. Yep. Let's pull our dual capacitor and test it. I tested the 40/5 dual capacitor removed, and strangely enough, it tested 40/5, but it fails the shake test. And while running, which is even more incredible, while running, that 5 for the fan side was 3.8. So we're gonna put in the Amrad dual capacitor, made in America. All right, the new dual capacitor by Amrad is installed. My solid brown is my compressor, red is common, the brown with the white stripe is fan, CPT is if you have a hard start, compressor, protection terminal, and today's date. Oopsie. The brown and the white is our Herm, and the brown is our fan. I realized that when I turned the power on and the compressor didn't kick on. Now compressor works. Now she works. She's loud as heck. Alright, so I got a little confused with the wiring. Maybe because I'm fixing like a momser. It's 100% humidity out. Once I fixed the wires, going to the right terminal on top of the dual capacitor, compressor turned on fine. Condenser fan motor worked, and hooked up my gauges. Don't normally do that, but I was being premature in possibly diagnosing in my brain. That's what happens when you're rushing through jobs, you know. And I'm not even rushing, it's just so hot and miserable. But listen, we're not perfect, we make mistakes. You know, I thought maybe there's a refrigerant issue. I just wasn't thinking clearly. The customer's helicoptering over me, which I'm perfectly fine with. But, you know, I just wasn't paying attention, I guess. You know, keeping it real, calling like it is. But putting the new dual capacitor by Amrad in, and system's up and running, and we have nice cold air coming out of our diffusers on the first floor. Use my field piece digital psychrometer. We have good outlet temperatures around 62 degrees. Ambient is 78, so perfect 15-degree delta T. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just going to do a quick little stop at the new shop and see how construction's progressing. All right, it's September 8th. We're making progress. Looks like the ceiling's painted black. We have LED lights in, painting the walls. This is going to take some time because we're putting in a 3-piece bath. We have the wall hung carrier, the vanity, and the shower there. Here we're going to put an ice machine. I don't know where he's planning on putting it. Maybe he's going to plan on elevating it. Who knows? With a sink, utility sink for the guys. Upstairs is going to be the office and lounge area. Stairs, workbench over there, testing station. Nothing but rows of shelving here. The back room will be our more room with shelving. So the floor is going to be epoxy painted. And we're going to have a sign there and a sign right there. That's going to say commercial loading only. And I'm going to get all my spots back. And looking forward. Painting this and the sides. I'm going to put a sign there and a sign there. It's going to be nice.